Alright, so I had to come with my phone, but it is gender reveal day, and let me tell y'all, literally everything is like kind of going not how it should be. My cake topper, I cannot find it. I don't know where I put it, and I'm literally about to go drop off the kids and make it to the place. So I'm gonna check in as soon as I get in the car. Okay, so yeah, literally when I tell y'all everything is going wrong, everything is going wrong. The Lyft that I had that was supposed to take me to drop the kids off to my mom's house, like literally just left me. And now I have a new Lyft coming. I'm just like so mad. Oh, I'm trying to, sorry y'all. I'm trying to be like in a good mood, stay super optimistic, like everything will work out. But everything is going wrong. Sorry, the quality is gonna be a little choppy because I'm like moving around all over the place. And I'm just so mad, y'all. But yeah, other than that, I think I look really cute. Y'all gonna see pictures, of course, when I post pictures. But yes, that's how it's going so far. And a little backstory. So my gender reveal, I was gonna do like the whole party shebang, but it was just like mad issues, honestly. So I'm gonna go to this Chinese restaurant. It's called Julan. It's in the city. The aesthetic is, what the fuck? The aesthetic is really pretty. I hate when this shit happens. Y'all see me struggling, like, y'all. That's because I'm rushing. Like, when you rush, I tell you, things just never turn out how you want it to be. From rushing. But yeah, I'm going to the Chinese restaurant called Julan in the city. It's a nice aesthetic. I should get really cute pictures. I'm just like trying not to sweat and stuff because it is super hot today. It's about 90. It was 90 degrees. It might be like 86 now, but it's supposed to be 91 degrees today. It was 91 earlier. I don't know if it's still 91 now. So yeah. But of course, when I get to the restaurant and stuff, whew, I'm gonna be posting with my camera. But look at my little belly. What do y'all think is in here, y'all? I feel like my stomach is, I don't know, it's kind of small. I am, how many weeks? I'm 18 weeks. I don't know how many weeks I am. Like 18 weeks in a day. That's it, y'all. So for real, I just wanted to tell y'all that I need to vent and get that out, so I can just like take a deep breath, take it easy, and yeah. So I will be back. Do I look pregnant?
That's the screen. That's the same camera you have.
With fried rice. I need to get a picture right there.
Damn, I should have got the braised oxtail viral bun. I thought with a wonton.
First of all, we don't have a knife. I'm not they gave us spoons with no forks or a knife.
Alright, I'm gonna take 2 pictures and
like,
you
where
just.
we going? So ask him for a knife. He's right there. We need forks. Oh no, he's bringing you a knife.
You could both. What is that?
Do you have a fork?
Fork?
Yeah. Like,
Are you ready to cut?
I think it's fork.
Yes.
Fork, real fork or
Plastic is good.
yeah.
You like that? This is the moment, y'all.
I feel like it's too low. Like, get it from the top.
I'm trying to get the whole. You can't. You don't.
Attention, July.
The whole restaurant.
You guys are gonna see if I'm having a boil.
We have a special.
With the flash on it.
Yeah. And we can't post it until you post
Gender is.
Yes.
What do you think the gender is?
Don't record me.
What do you think the gender is? What do you think the gender is?
A boy.
Now it's a boy.
I think it's a baby. Okay. Ready?
I think it's a boy, but it could be a girl.
So says the mama. Wait.
Boy.
Light the thingy.
Oh, y'all didn't even do it.
Who got the lighter? Okay, like that. That should be good. Wait, no.
A little bit.
It looks like instant.
They do.
Did you press the right button?
Yes. It's gonna go. Oh, is it gonna?
Took it off so she can like the other one.
It's
I
gonna.
think we should have put one at like one time. She's like,
What do you guys think? Boy or girl? Boy or girl?
girl, boy, girl, boy.
It's a girl. It's a girl.
What do you think? What do you think?
It's a girl. It's a girl. It's a girl.
When it goes out, I'm gonna try to make a wish.
She said wish.
Like pop.
Wish that it's a girl for me.
She like wish that it's a girl.
It's gonna stop.
It's a girl. Look at my pretty cousin. She carrying my girl. My baby having a baby.
If it's a girl, if it's not a girl, then what?
Shauna, stop. She over there hating. You was just team girl.
Right now.
Okay, this is the moment of truth. Before we start a fire,
How you gonna blow this up?
it's gonna go out in a second. It's like at the very bottom. It's that one I'm a little worried about. The one my crazy ass put in. I'm taking.
Which one?
Okay.
Ready?
Here comes. I'm gonna stand up
Oh my god.
and record you from the top.
Oh my gosh, to you. This is oh my gosh to me. I'm learning.
Pull it closer to you.
Y'all not gonna see it though. I feel like.
It's gonna be a surprise. You're gonna turn around. The moment of truth. We are finding out
Look at me trying to ease it. I can't
if
see
it's a
it.
girl.
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
It's a boy. I told you I was a boy.
It's a boy.
Dang, I only make boys.
Boy mom.
I told you I was a boy. I kept feeling like it was a boy.
Boy mom. Boy mom.
Oh.
Damn.